Apps that pay cash through games should explain the reward system clearly, without forcing you to spend most of your time watching interruptions instead of earning. By the end, you'll know what to check when choosing cash reward games, how to identify apps with better user experiences, and what details matter before you start playing. The first thing to check is how the app balances gameplay and rewards. A good earning game should make it clear what actions generate rewards and how progress is tracked. Before downloading an app, check the description, reward rules, and user feedback. This helps you understand whether the game focuses mainly on playing or whether the experience is filled with distractions. The second thing to check is how rewards are earned. Some apps use points, some use credits, and others use different reward systems. The important part is knowing what you need to do before expecting any payout. A clear reward system shows how progress works and what steps are needed to redeem rewards. If the app does not explain these details, it becomes harder to judge whether it is worth your time. You should also check the app's permissions and privacy information. A game should explain what information it collects and why it needs access to certain features. User reviews can help you find common issues. Focus on reviews that mention gameplay experience, reward tracking, and withdrawals, instead of only comments about earning potential. Another useful step is testing the app before committing too much time. Play for a short period, check how rewards are added, and see whether the experience matches what the app describes. Avoid apps that make large promises but provide little information about how rewards work. Clear explanations and realistic expectations make it easier to choose better options. Remember that reward games are designed for earning extra rewards while playing. They are not a replacement for regular income, so the goal is finding apps that make your time worthwhile. A simple checklist helps when comparing these apps. Check the earning method, reward rules, privacy details, and overall user experience before deciding. To summarize, focus on 3 things: transparent rewards, a reasonable gameplay experience, and clear app information. Your next step is reading the reward details before installing any cash game. If you want more guides on earning apps, reward games and platforms worth your time, subscribe for more practical reviews.